Hi friends, welcome to Green Drop World. This is the video on processors. Which is very essential to make your system faster, smoother and long-lasting. And you are also going to be clarified with questions such as branded processors with good name but we are facing some problems and lagging in some segments. Why? But a local branded processors give excellent performance but branded and local are in same price segment. Why? To know all these, please watch this video till end. Before going to the video, please subscribe my channel and the first thing you wanted to know is what is a processor. Processor is nothing but a CPU. In olden days you have seen that CPU is separately a box, but nowadays in mobiles and notebooks we can see that processors are integrated crucially. We name it as IC, where high range of patience makes it good because many micro and macro particles are used in it. There are 5 types of processors. We use microprocessors in mobiles and PCs. When you are choosing a product with a good or bad processor, you should be aware of some things. What are they? Let us see. The first thing you wanted to know about processor is a core. Core is said to be the brain of a CPU and it only performs calculations and operations. Your CPU may have multi-cores or single cores. For example, if it is mentioned that your CPU is single core, then it is having only one core. If it is a dual core, 2 cores, quad core, 4 cores, hexacore, 6 cores, octa-core and 8 cores. And we have up to 18 cores till date. Now, let us clarify questions such as how many cores make your system run faster and if 2 cores is better or 4 cores is better. To know all these, let us visualize an example where you are a game developer and you wanted to develop a game in 10 days. If you are only person who wanted to complete the whole project, then it takes more than 10 days. And besides you, there are 4 persons crew where they are doing the same project but they can complete the work in 4 times faster than you. Why? That is because teamwork makes your work simple and fast. In the same way, more cores make your multitasking smooth and faster. But some may have less cores but performs multitasking good when compared to more cores. The reason is clock speed. Now we're going to watch about the next part of the processor, clock speed. Not only cores, clock speed is also important. Clock speed. For example, brand X comes with 8 cores and 1.25 GHz of frequency clock speed. And similar priced brand Y comes with 4 cores and 2.5 GHz of clock speed, which performs same performance. Why? Because when we multiply cores into clock speed, the brand X is 8 into 1.25 is equals to 10 and brand Y is equals to 4 into 2.5 is equals to 10, where you will get both are equal to 10, where the same performance is obtained from both the processors. To make it more understandable, let's consider one more brand Z. Has only 2 cores but having 6 GHz of clock speed. Then 2 into 6 is equals to 12, which is higher than 8 core processor and 4 core processor. Where 3 brands come with same price in the market. Many prefer more cores, but the best performance will be 2 core processor, as it having 6 GHz of clock speed. As it cannot be more for multitasking, it makes you feel smoother than X and Y brand. So be careful in choosing cores and clock speed of it. and many PCs offer base frequency clock speed and burst frequency speed, where CPU adjusts to the situation of your program. If you are simple using, then it will be at some lower range. If you are bursting the speed, you want more speed, then your CPU adjusts to that. The third thing is threads. A thread is a virtual version of CPU core that is used when you switch from one program to another program. Quick reaction takes place because of threads. One core can have one or two threads maximum. Mainly, make you sure that you are aware of cores and clock speeds. That's enough. The next thing is your system heats up. Heats up. Why? The reason behind it is TDP, thermal design power. It is the maximum amount of heat generated by your CPU or chip used, where cooling system should be installed so that your system reserves cool under any workload. More heat means high TDP used in your system, and battery drains very faster if you use high TDP. Higher TDPs are usually high-end processors, where you may be using more cores, but more heat should be produced for more working. For example, if your system runs with 6 watts of TDP, then you need 6 watts cooling system, and if it is 65 watts, then you need 65 watts of cooling system. And this is the last one, but not the least one. If you're a gamer and video editor, you always watch videos and play games and use apps which needs more animations, then it is very important. Nothing but GPU, graphics processing unit. In before days, we may have fond of graphics card which is installed in your PC, but nowadays it is integrated to your mobile and PC. It is also a part of a processor, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional information or if you need any additional information, please comment.